Boeing flight test, the flight stage more flexible for some David here, tourist fit, shows all impact light. System 3, system mission constant.
Ground, this is Flight 734, request pushback.
Roger, Flight 734, pushback approved.
Ground, Flight 734, request engine start number 2. This is Flight 734, requesting to taxi to runway. Flight 182, wind 270 at 8, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27, flight 182.
What happened, Captain? And the fuel is gone.
I think any fuel leakage in tail.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. We have a significant fuel leak. Requesting immediate vectors to the nearest suitable airport.
Alpha 234, Mayday received, turn left heading 090, clear direct to Denver International. Emergency services are standing by. Gear down. 400, 300, 200, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10. Landing.
Dutch with a Bachelor 3.
I can't believe we're alive.
Oh my God, finally safely landed.